We are reporting live from Ngwa Road by X on today, Tuesday, the 12th of December 2023. You just called my attention, Mass come back and rush here. Somebody who told me, say he had a message for the governor. He said that the governor is mean and very, very heartless. That the manner in which he is doing construction in Aba, that the next governor of Abia State, after he completed his 8 years, he won't even see any other road to work on. But this is, by the way, this is Ngwa Road. This place has been the junction of congestion, junction of traffic jam. But today the governor have also remembered it to make sure that they open it up, as he promised that he want to open all the block roads, all the traffic roads, so that they flow. Then a lot of December now, and then I roll and the other state maintenance agency.